Hello, in this video I will explain how you can create a contact manually in B2Brouter. Context can be any customer or supplier. To create a customer or supplier, you will have to click on the contact section that you can find at the top main menu. Use the Add Contact button to start creating your customer. On this page, you can start creating the contact by navigating through different steps that allow you to enter all the necessary data. In step number 1, use the drop-down option to select your customer's country. Next, you will need to fill in your customer's VAT ID number. Go to the next step using the Validate Identifier and Continue button. In the second step, Fiscal Data, you must add the fiscal data of your customer. The fields with an asterisk are mandatory. Next, go to the next section by clicking on Continue. In the third step, Invoice Delivery Method, you must configure how you want to send the invoice. There are different options. The first one is via B2Brouter, where an email will be sent to your customer with a link to the document inside the app. The second option is via email, where an email will be sent to your customer with an attached document. Next, we find the Open Network, which is for public administrations and people network. The next one is a private network, where you will be able to send all of those invoices to your private customers, such as cities, Edicom, etc. And last, we find the Do Not Send option, where your document can be downloaded and will not be sent. Select the transport and go to the next section by clicking on Continue. In the last step, Payment Method, use the drop-down menu to select a default payment method for this customer. Finally, select the Save button to finish creating your customers. Once this is done, you can start invoicing.